Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the chart's hanging in there very nicely. It's setting up and creating a nice little pattern, which doesn't guarantee anything, but it certainly makes certain dynamics plausible to question. It makes it a more than rational thought to have. And really, the very plausible scenario here is this thing getting braced to consolidate out and then get up here to that red line there, that resistance, and then push up through there. So in my mind, that's the big question. Not a guarantee, but a certain plausible thought to have, and that red line is valued at $11.40. I mean, over time, you have this nice little wedge pattern here that's starting to take place or starting to take shape here. So it really just the question is, can the price get above there? If it can, would that break out, then create enough momentum to bring it up to $11.40? And then if the price could push up through there, I mean, you could call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. You can call it whatever you want. But you know there's going to be a bunch of people watching $11.40. That's, for anybody that, uses charts and understands charts, then that's going to be a level that stands out very clearly. And that's the nice thing about levels that really stand out clearly is a bunch of people are watching it, what they're thinking, and a lot of people are all watching the same level and wondering the same things. Call that the self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some nice, price movements, and that is exactly what 1140 is representing. So sure, it's not guaranteed to get up there and test it, let alone if it does test it, break above it. But like I said, given the pattern of the chart right now that's taking place, it's at least a worthwhile thought and kind of proposition to throw out there that, maybe it could happen. Now, if I'm wrong and this thing all of a sudden breaks to the downside, at that point, this is where the green line comes into play, down there at $10.20. So that'll be a very important level of support to watch. But as of right now, with the way things are just, consolidating out, I suppose that could, the $10.20 could come into play on Friday. But right now, if anything, it's looking like it might be that 1140 mark. But moral of the story here, taking shape here for an interesting close to the week. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.